Welcome back, everyone. John Caruso here, June 29th. We're going to do a little afternoon update here for you with the markets. Since we last spoke this morning, we have seen stocks come in. The S&P's trade right around 38.15 right now. That's down on the session. The Nasdaq's back below 11,700. We're at 11,671 right now. We do have some runoff happening right now off the morning highs in the energy markets. That's certainly notable. We're starting to see nat gas prices come in a little bit. Gasoline prices have come in a little bit. Oil prices are off the highs as well. All right, so what's going on? We did hear from Powell this morning. Powell was asked a question of whether or not there's a chance that he overshoots on interest rate hikes, and he said yes. But he said the bigger risk is not taming inflation from here. So in my mind, what that's telling me is you should probably be looking at getting bearish on commodities from here. I know we've already seen some steep corrections in some of those markets, but I do think really the only market that hasn't really corrected that much has been energy. We did see a big slide over the last 3.5 weeks in crude oil, but crude oil has since regained that 110 level. We're sitting right around 111 right now, but we are off the morning high. So I do think that energy prices following the holiday weekend do have some room to come in from here. And yes, we can potentially see crude oil back down around that $100 a barrel level in fairly short order. So that's the way that I'm reading the tape right now. The other thing that I thought was interesting, Powell was obviously hawkish today, and bond yields went down, which is obviously a very different look than what we've seen. Now, what gives there? That is telling me that the bond market is probably starting to sniff out the idea that the Fed could be tipping the economy over by overshooting on interest rates. So, got to keep that in the back of your head here. Obviously, it's no secret that the bond market usually sniffs out an oncoming recession before the Fed catches on. The Fed always catches it on a lag. Is that the case here? Perhaps. It might be. I don't know. I think it's still too early to tell at the moment. But that's what the tape looks like here today. Keep that in mind. Best of luck to you out there. We'll catch you back here in the morning.